Daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, August the 1st, August the 4th, 2024. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku with 3 stars and the Samurai Sudoku. This one I will solve tomorrow evening. This one I will solve in a minute. In the weekend edition, we have also a puzzle page. Puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, Killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the last one is a jigsaw Sudoku. 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, Saturday evening. Tomorrow on Sunday, we have a lot of puzzles. We have an additional, the weekend edition. An additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon on Sunday. But first, let me start with this one here. This one you are interested. Let me zoom this. This one will be number 9019. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 28 printed digits. Wow, that's a lot. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, that's 28. Should be at 0 stars. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. We will see if this is a 0 stars or 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see the one in this column, the one in the middle column, so the column next. There are only 3 places left. The one should be here, or there. We have one in the 3rd row, no one there. One in the 1st row, no one there. The only place left for the one should be there. 1, okay. 1. Cannot continue with the 1. What's happening? Alright. 6, 8, and a 5. 5. 6, and 8. Okay. 8. We have an 8 there. Need 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this 3rd row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. We have an 8 in that column, no 8 there. So the 8 in this row, the 3rd row, could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 5. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this 2nd row, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the 3rd row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left now in the 3rd row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, let me see. How about the number 9? 6. 6 here or there. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. Here's 6 in this row. No 6 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Here we have a 5. Here we have a 5. That means we need a 5 in the middle column in one of these 3 boxes. Okay. Then let me see. Need a 7 there. 7 here. Okay, 7 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 there. And need 6 here. Okay. Need an 8 there. Come on. This is taking too long. Need 8. 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 1 and 9. Okay. 1 and 9. Come on. 9. How about in the 6 here? Yeah, in this column we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in this column could be here, or there. We see another 6 in this row, no 6 there. Another 6 in that row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be here. Alright, now need a 7 here, need a 7. Come on. 6. 6 in 6 here. 6 there, 6 here. Yeah. 1. 4. 4. 4. Need a 4 here. Well. Come on. This is taking too long. 4. Need a 4 there. 1, 2, 3. Could be, yeah. 3 in the first row. 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column. Oh, need a 4 here. Need a 4. Need a 5. Could be here. And I need a 7. Could be everywhere. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5. Come on. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places left with 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 5, 5, need 5 here. Oh, 5 in this row, 5 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So last row, the only two places left with 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, okay. Then, can we count? And no. And all the 6s are used. I can't see it. Digit number 1, number 6. Need a 4 there. Okay, come on. Need a 1 there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. 1 box left in this row. I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. Then let me see. These are 3 missing numbers in this big square. Are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. Okay. 2, 5. So 1 number left in this row. I believe the number 8. No. We have 8. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing here. 4. No, here we need a 4. Okay, how about these 3 missing numbers? 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing. Well, we have a 3 here. 3 could be there. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And if eliminated here, the 3, so the 3 goes there. If eliminated 2, so the 2 goes there. 2, 2. About a 4, 4, 4. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9. Let me mark those. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. And I need a 5 here. Need a 5 there also. Wait, 7 and 9. We have a 9 now in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 7 goes there. 7 and 7 and 2. All right, and now let me see. Yeah, let me put some numbers. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. That means in this big square we have 2 numbers left. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. Come on. These are 3 missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. Here, 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. Here, 2, 5, 9. And I need I need a 3 here. Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. So here we have a 3, here we have a 3. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 7 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. For the 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Need a 4 in one of these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. So the 2 numbers are left in the middle column for the numbers 5 and the 7. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left with 2 should be there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers, 5 and a 7. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Minus 3. Well, let me give this, should be a 0 or 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Anyway, we solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.